Welcome back to the channel, Sunshines. This week we are creating something that is completely new to me. Have you ever heard of Photocards? They are big in the K-pop world, featuring K-pop idols and sometimes can be included in albums for their fans. Y'all already know I'm a grandpa status, so my sister had to teach me a few things since she was already going to make them as a birthday present for someone else. So to start off, she bought two different types of photocard sleeves. This one is just a standard sleeve you can decorate, and it is slightly bigger than the next one I'm about to show you. And the plastic sleeves that go into this one is just a clear, regular plastic sleeve. Now, these ones are the keychain ones that come with a holographic plastic sleeve inside. You'll see the hole in the corner so you can add a keychain to it, and these holographic hearts on the plastic sleeve are absolutely adorable. For mine, I decided to go with Bruno Mars because his new album just came out. I just printed this out on printer photo paper and cut the corners with a corner cutter. They do come with a protective film on both sides, so make sure you remove this before you add your stickers. These are the beads I will be using for my keychain. I wanted to go with a red, white, and black color scheme based off his newest album, The Romantic. When purchasing stickers for your photo cards, I recommend getting border stickers that can be your starting point, and then from there you can layer more stickers on top of it. I used lace border stickers here, but I also recommend using ones that are like ribbons or bows that fit nicely in the corners. For me, I tried to lay down the big stickers first to take up as much space as possible, and then layered in some smaller ones on top. The way to making this look the best it could possibly look is by layering. Tune into your inner onion self and layer the crap out of this. It will look so much better that way. I'm a newbie, so I was a wee little onion, but when you make yours, I want you to be a big ass onion. I'm so glad my sister introduced me to photocards because I'm legit obsessed now. A new hobby has been unlocked. I created two more photo cards of me and my boyfriend, and when I tell you, these are such a great gift for your bestie, your partner, or even a great activity to do with the girlies, scarfing down a pizza and a dozen Krispy Kreme donuts. Now, I don't know what you think is a good time, but for me, that's a solid Friday night in my house. I'm not even gonna lie. And then the next day you lay there contemplating your life because you had too much gluten the day before. But hey, like I said, this is none of my business how you live your life. I'ma just live mine in a little bit of pain. So when purchasing your stickers, make sure you get a variety of sizes. You want small, medium, large, all-inclusive stickers because this will allow you to fit everything together nicely, and you'll want a variety of colors as well. The smaller stickers you'll add at the very end to be fillers in any empty spaces because you want this thing packety packed. And grab a few transparent stickers as well. These work so good when overlapping because you can still see through underneath them. The Keychain photo card sleeves actually came with some transparent stickers and a few other cute sheets as well to get you started, which I really loved. For mine, I wanted to add some text to it, so I have these random quote stickers that say the most randomest things, so obviously I won't be able to find exactly what I needed, so I just painstakingly cut out each letter. Thank goodness I was only spelling out romantic, but it took me a hot minute to get these suckers on the card. If you want to save yourself the hassle, just make sure to get some letter stickers as well. I'll include the link to the gem stickers I bought because when you match them to your color scheme, it comes out so cute. And the pack also came with pearl-shaped hearts, roses, so much cute stuff that I recommend if you need a starting place. Now for the gems and pearls, I also recommend adding a little bit of glue to it because even though they have like a little sticky on the back, they can pop off, so this will help secure them more. And yeah, that's about it for this one. I decided to add a cute red flower chain along with a red and black beaded chain. And to finish it off, I added his name with some letter beads. And voila! It came out so freaking good. I'm so impressed how well it went. Now for my sister's photo cards, she was kind enough to record herself making one of hers, so I will include it here so you can see just how creative you can get when making these.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running round in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking